Just outside of Calgary, Alberta, you can find Calaway Park, one of Alberta's few amusement parks. We're at Calaway Park with the kids. It's an amusement park that I used to go to as a kid, and today we're taking the kids around, so come join us. Starting our day off really exciting with the car ride, but Parker's doing a great job driving us.
Wow, Parker!
Good driving, Parker! Fancy driving move.
Look at you go, buddy!
Oh, maximum zero. Go on the swing ride. Calaway Park has tons of rides for all ages. My kids were only 3 and 4 at the time we went, but there was a lot of things that they were allowed to do.
The park gives you a handy-dandy height chart guide, so you know what rides you can go on and how many rides your little one can actually do. So Parker was at 20 rides and Abby was at 26 rides. Age 3, age 4.
Some of the rides the kids had to do alone, like this mini swing ride, which the kids loved and went on twice. Some of the rides required the kids to be with an adult.
Think it's gonna be fun, Abby?
Excited? Yeah, give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up, yeah! Here we go!
And of course, some of the rides my kids couldn't go on at all, but that didn't mean I couldn't. Our favorite ride was the classic log ride, which looked like everyone else's favorite too.
we have to go up that big one to get wet. Here we go up our first hill. Here they go. Go up the big one. Yeah, it was. Oh, look, pretty. The waterfall. Oh my gosh, Mommy's nervous. Oh God, oh God. Okay. It's gonna be calm for a little bit. Okay. Wow. Oh my God, Joey. Ready? Holy gosh. Oh my gosh. I might have to close my eyes. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Was that awesome? Always, our family outings end with ice cream. Every single time. We've been at Calaway Park for 5 hours now, and I think we're a little bit Calaway'd out. There's no way you could do every ride here at this park, so my suggestion is if you live nearby, get a season's pass.
We had such a fun day at Calaway Park, and we'll definitely be going back. Have you ever been to Calaway Park? Or do you have an amusement park where you live? If so, tell me in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please remember to hit that red subscribe button.